Cybersecurity for the people, Professor Black Ops. Let's get at it. Oh, more leaks for this week. Clubhouse data leaked. 1.3 million scraped users. Records leaked online for free. So far, it seems like this has been the worst week of the year for social media platforms in terms of data leaks, with the Clubhouse seemingly joining the fray. Data after scraped data from more than billions from Facebook and LinkedIn profiles, collectively speaking, was put for sale online. It looks like now the Clubhouse term. The upstart platform seem to have experienced the same fate, with a SQL database containing 1.3 million scraped Clubhouse users record leaked for free on a popular hackers forum. To see the online accounts were exposed and previous security breaches, use our personal data link checker with the library of 15 plus billion records. What was leaked from the Clubhouse? User ID, name, photo URL, username, Twitter handle, Instagram handle, number of followers, number of people followed by that users, account creation, and invite by user platform. So it shows you an example of the username. That's actually an Excel spreadsheet. The Clubhouse API allows anyone to carry out a massive scrape of data. So this is Clubhouse responding. This is misleading and false. The Clubhouse has not been breached or hacked. The data referred to is our public profile information from our app, which anyone can access via the app or our API. So the question is, should somebody be able to do that from your app? Should somebody be able to scrape 1.3 million records with your free API? In addition to sparking a heated debate under the company's statement on Twitter, this raised some questions about the privacy stance of the company. Allowing everyone to gather and download even public profile information on a mass scale can have a severe negative consequence for a user's privacy. Right, because now what they call is I can create a dossier of you. What's your Facebook? What's your Twitter? What's your Clubhouse? Then I can start piecing this together data about you. So, the person argues that even though the Clubhouse privacy policy does not allow unauthorized data mining, and data scraping, the platform should go beyond simply stating that it's in the rules. This should not only be reflected in the TOS, but also in the technical implementation of the app. Making it harder for anyone to scrape user data, having a no anti-scraping measure in place can seen as a privacy issue. We reached out to Clubhouse regarding their API policy, and we'll update this story as soon as more information is about. So what is the impact? The data from the leaked files can now be used by threat actors against the Clubhouse users by carrying out targeting, phishing, or other types of social engineering attacks. So since I know that, now I can send you an email and you're probably going to click on, because I know how many followers you got. I know how many users you got. I know some of your pictures, links. All right, the SQL database posted on a hacker forum only contains Clubhouse profile information. We did not find any deeply sensitive data like credit card details or legal documents in the archives posted by the threat actor. With that said, even a profile name with connection to the users of other social media identified established can be enough for a competent cybersecurity person to cause real damage. Particularly to determine that an attacker can combine information found in the leaked SQL database with other data breaches in order to create a detailed profile of that potential victim. With such information in hand, they can stage much more convincing phishing and social engineering attacks, even commit identity threat against the people whose information has been exposed in the hackers forum. So what are the next steps? Beware of suspicious Clubhouse message and connection requests from strangers. Consider using a password manager to create strong passwords and store them securely. Enable two-factor authentication on all online accounts. Also watch your potential phishing emails and text messages. Stay tuned for more information about that. Once again, Professor Black Ops, Cybersecurity for the people. Please subscribe.